There we go. They're all peeing. Look at this. That's too funny. Okay, let's go. Shh. Go, 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 boys. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, 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 no. The dog is fallen. No, 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 no.
The dog is free. But put your hand up.
Help. Wrong way. Yeah, look out. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Thanks. Okay, let's go. That's good, baby. Oh no.
It's very high, baby.
Just keep it. It's already tangled. Hello. You look so cute. You, yeah.
I don't like the stick.
So today we will start our little trip, our husky ride. We are packed with dogs. It's a beautiful day and let's see how it goes. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Hopefully we don't have too much problems. It's a bit of sticky and windy day, so it's sticky snow, so that means that it's a bit too hot actually. So it's around 0 degrees, which makes that the snow that has fallen this night is a bit wet, so it's not melted yet, but it makes it difficult for the dogs to ride. So I will have to push a bit and hopefully I don't get too cold here because my feet are already going a bit cold. The dogs are ready to go for sure, so they are happy to go and I'm also happy to go, so let's see. There we go. Wow, look at this. We started our trip with the dogs. So let's see how it goes. I need to make sure I don't fall.
Be careful.
Wow, look at this. So the moment you brake, you can see that the dogs like look a bit. So it is quite difficult for the dogs, they say, to ride. Let's see how it goes. I keep a bit the brake on because I don't want to go too fast. Oh look, one is peeing. They need to pee too. We don't go too fast, which is nice. It's very nice. It's so calm. It's a beautiful day. And I need to brake big time. Yeah, doggies, we are going a bit too fast. We are a bit too many people. I think they should put maybe a bit less people on the run because there's already one stopped. It's literally like a... Okay, that's not too good. They're all peeing, look at this. That's too funny. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Okay, let's go. Shh. Go, 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 boys. Go, 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 go. Oh, no, 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 the dog is fallen. Oh my God. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Baby,
No, 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 no.
the dog is free.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
Put your hands up.
We're going the wrong way. You have to go back.
But put your hand up.
Help! Wrong way! Oh my God, we're stuck. They should put some plates or something. I think also they're a bit stuck.
My guess.
Okay, turn. Okay, it will turn.
Oh my God.
Did it?
No, no.
Straight, straight.
No. Go there. Oh, baby, you think you have to help me?
Yeah, it's gonna go. I push. Yeah, there. Yeah, look out. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Thanks. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're off again. Let's see. Right?
But come on, baby.
But I'm turning there, following the wrong direction. Maybe there's no steering here. I lean to the right, but the dogs go wherever they like.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Pop, baby, you have to.
I'm trying to help as much as I'm. Yeah!
Ready?
Let's go! Hopefully, don't lose your phone and just. Let's go, doggies! Yeehaw! Right. Yeah. Yes, let's go! Okay, now we're going good, baby. So we are a bit behind because for some reason the dogs didn't follow the right track. Maybe it's me, but it's the first time I do it, so let's see how we can go. And we need to keep this to the front. Maybe to the front? Yes. How do you like it?
I like it so much.
Did you already take a video?
Not with my face. Woohoo, baby! With two hands.
You need to keep your both hands on here, but because we are going so slow, I can almost just walk. It's not too... Can you take a horizontal video, baby?
Ready, but
We are going a bit slow, so it's not really that dangerous. It's very difficult for the dogs, but it's so beautiful. For horizontal video, horizontal. Fast. It's so beautiful. We try to take as much in as possible, but this is beautiful scenery. It's just amazing.